For today's video guys, so yan guys, so may unboxing kami ng FT400 treadmill guys. Yan, kasi may nag-purchase po ng treadmill guys, yung FT400. So ayan ang napili nila madam. Customer from Tugbok, Davao City. Kasi bago namin binibigay yung yung products, tinatry muna namin para ma-test natin kung nag-work siya.
Pwede lagi akong direct na magbayad, ma'am.